So let's head over on to Power BI service and we'll see how we can set this up. So I've logged in. What I'm going to do is, for demonstration purposes, I'm actually going to create a new workspace for us. So I'm going to call this Workspace. So modular demo. Now we're creating an upgraded workspace. A few months ago, the workspaces had an upgraded experience, so we're creating a new one. We're not going to use a classic workspace because they're old. We want to use the new settings. One thing you'll notice is we can have a description in this workspace. You also have some advanced features here. I'm the only person in my tenant, so that's fine. What we have is the option to create a workspace OneDrive. I would really recommend this for anyone creating workspaces, to link a OneDrive to it. This is a great place to keep all your files and to keep the model-only Power BI files in this OneDrive. We obviously what we want to avoid and get away from, and that's been typical from the past, is everyone having loads of files on their local machine, emailing files around, right? We want to get away from emailing files, emailing Excel or Power BI workbooks. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and create a new SharePoint site here. So I'm just going to create a team site, and you can, depending on your organization, how your organization sets up site. This might be an IT activity, but I'm the only person in my organization, so I get to do what I want. So I'm just going to call this Excel demo. Right. So it's creating my site. Unfortunately for me, I don't have any other additional owners. So here we have it, my site. So I'm just going to take this link. Actually, it's going to go on the email, I believe. Yeah, so when you create the site, it creates the email of the SharePoint site at your tenant, which is sunnybi.net for me. So now I'm going to link my OneDrive specifically for this.